It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Tuesday, the 26th of October. I'm James Spann. The weather clear and cool tonight. Clouds move in tomorrow. Some rain will likely arrive late tomorrow night into Thursday and Friday. Much cooler, in fact, if not colder late this week. The coldest air so far this season. Get ready. Here we go. This is the upper air look. A very energetic flow pattern across the country today. Got a big trough in the western states, a big upper low that's over the northeast, ridging in between, and we have a northwest flow aloft and a very dry air mass this afternoon. Visible satellite view showing a cloudless sky statewide. Beautiful, beautiful fall day. Temperatures are in the 60s for most locations. Birmingham at 65, Anniston 67, Tuscaloosa 69. Around the nation, there's the watch warning map. We have flash flood watches and warnings for parts of the northeast United States. A lot of wind issues back in the Great Plains, back into the Rockies with that upper trough there. A risk of severe storms later today and tonight. From the Great Plains down into Texas, including an enhanced risk over parts of Oklahoma and North Texas, a little west of Dallas-Fort Worth. Tomorrow, got a risk of severe storms on the Gulf Coast. Some of the cities involved in that would include Houston, New Orleans, Mobile, and Pensacola. We've got the standard slight risk in effect for parts of Escambia, Washington, Mobile, and Baldwin counties in southwest Alabama and the Florida Panhandle. The marginal risk is far north as Butler, Greenville, and Dothan, areas in darker green. But for most of the state, stable air, no chance of severe weather. Then day 3, which is during the day Thursday, we have a risk of severe storms mostly to the east on the South Atlantic coast and parts of Florida. That does include the southeastern corner of Alabama for any leftover convection Thursday morning. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Rain amounts around here will be mostly in the 1/2 to 1 inch range between now and Tuesday morning of next week. In the tropics, got a whopper of a nor'easter off the upper Atlantic coast, but that's a cold core system, not a warm core system. And again, the Hurricane Center with that showing a chance of maybe picking up some subtropical characteristics as it drifts over the open North Atlantic. But again, no threat to land, and that should not really be classified as a tropical storm. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4, a very deep negative tilt dynamic upper trough west of the state. And if you see something like that, you have to look out for severe weather. Thankfully, we won't have any instability here. During the day tomorrow, we have the main chance of rain well to the west. For Alabama, clouds will increase during the day. High should be in the 70s. This is tomorrow night, 11 p.m. Showers and thunderstorms pushing into the southwestern corner of the state, and that's where we do have a chance of strong to severe storms. And then by early Thursday morning at 6 o'clock, we have rain around statewide. Again, the chance of a few strong to severe storms over the southeastern corner of the state, but there's just basically no instability available. So for most of Alabama, just rain. Late Wednesday night into Thursday. This is Thursday afternoon at 4. A very deep upper low northwest of Memphis under 1,000 millibars. Wraparound moisture will be in the low 60s all day. Clouds, some light rain or a drizzle at times. And look at Friday. Wow. Very, very deep upper low just northeast of Alabama. It's going to be a cold day like wintertime. We could be in the low 50s all day. That's colder than average for January. Clouds, some light rain or a drizzle at times over the northern half of the state on Friday. Very raw. Now, Saturday, the clouds will likely linger over the northern half of the state. And again, there could be some light rain, especially in areas north of Birmingham. Cloudy, and again, I think we'll be in the 50s all day. And then on Sunday, we break out. The sky becoming sunny. The high Sunday will be close to 70, a beautiful fall day. Monday, we're dry and pleasant. This is a week from today, Tuesday, the 2nd of November. Troughing off to the west, and again, we are rain-free. That Nix system could bring a few sprinkles maybe late Tuesday night or Wednesday morning, but let's go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, November 5th. Another deep upper low north and west of the state, and if that verifies, that will likely bring rain back in here toward the end of next week. And yeah, underneath the cold pool, that's a chance of snow for parts of Arkansas and Missouri. How about that for a sign of the times? Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble, the mean between 1 and 2 inches between now and the 11th of November. And the 80s are gone for a while. Look at that high Friday of 56. That might be optimistic, and I think 61 Saturday could be optimistic. Next week, highs mostly in the 60s, lows mostly in the 40s, and hot off the presses, the brand new CPC Outlook, November 3rd through November 9th, showing temperatures here across the southeastern states below average. We are in the blue. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spannbook, with 2 N's, Spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.